Hi everyone! If you're looking for smart, affordable tech that actually performs, you're in the right place. Today, we've handpicked 5 budget-friendly gadgets available on Amazon that look great, work well, and won't empty your wallet. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the Tozo NC2 wireless earbuds. These budget earbuds are a real steal. Priced under $40, yet they come with active noise cancellation, deep bass, and a sleek, premium-looking design. They're also IPX6 water-resistant and offer smooth touch controls, great for gym sessions, travel, or just casual music. Honestly, for the price, these sound amazing. Next on the list is the Amazfit Band 7. This budget-friendly smartwatch costs less than $50 and offers features you'd expect in higher-end models, like heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, sleep tracking, and Amazon Alexa support. It also includes 120+ sports modes and boasts a bright AMOLED display, with battery life lasting up to 18 days. Stylish, functional, and super light, it's perfect for daily wear. Okay, so moving on, the third gadget is the Holy Stone HS440 foldable drone. For under $100, this compact drone gives you a 1800p HD camera, voice controls, and one key takeoff. Totally perfect for beginners or travel vloggers, you know? It folds up super easily, making it travel-friendly, and the controls are simple enough for anyone to start flying. Now, let's talk about the fourth gadget, the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. If you're looking for a reliable budget smartphone, this one, checks all the boxes. It has a 6.6-inch display, 90 Hz refresh rate, a large 5,000 mAh battery, and of course, 5G support, all for well under $150. It's one of the best value for money phones out there right now. And finally, the fifth and last gadget on our list is the TPLink Tapo smartphone. If you're just getting into smart home tech, this is a great way to start. It lets you control any plugged-in device, like lights or coffee makers, right from your phone or with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. It's tiny, safe, and super easy to use. So there you have it, 5 awesome gadgets that prove you don't need to spend big to get great tech. All the links are in the description if you want to check them out. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple and smart tech videos, and let us know in the comments, which one would you buy first? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.